Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu narrated, when the Prophet ﷺ realized that the Quraysh had delayed in embracing Islam, he said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, protect me against their evil by afflicting them with 7 years of famine, like the 7 years of Prophet Joseph. So they were struck with a year of famine that destroyed everything till they had to eat bones, and till a man would look towards the sky and see something like smoke between him and it. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, Then watch you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, for the day when the sky will produce a kind of smoke plainly visible. And Allah further said, Verily, we shall withdraw the punishment a little, verily you will return to disbelief. Will Allah Jalla Jalaluhu relieve them from torture on the day of resurrection? The punishment of the smoke had passed, and al-Balthsha, the destruction of the pagans in the Badr battle, had passed too. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4693.